Hi guys, I just wanted to show you how to take a copy of your cheque. Once you hit your 10% bonus level, you'll get a cheque which is a really useful tool for helping to grow your business. It's not a real cheque that you can cash in the bank, it just represents kind of what you've earned in those previous 4 weeks. And if you watch the video which I've recorded, it's in our Facebook Fresh Start Success group. The video is called How to Double Your Income Using Facebook. It shows in there how to use that cheque. So I'm not going to go through that now, but this is just to show you how to get a copy of your cheque so you can post it or include it in a testimonial, that sort of thing. So you need to be on your normal order processing page on your kleeneze.co.uk login, and you need to click on this section here which says Distributor Services. And then if you look down here, that will then just open up another set of options. One of those is your certificate of income. And this is normally your certificate of income from the previous 4 weeks. Now, it has various numbers up here. These numbers are really useful because these kind of tell you, just at the bottom here, the total payment made by back. So that's your bonus, if you like, on top of your retail profit. And then the retail profit itself is the commission that you earn from each of your orders. And then the total income at the bottom, that's the kind of what you earned in those 4 weeks. So as you can see there, in this period I earned about 1,100, nearly £1,200. So if you click on the button at the bottom here says check only, that will then open up another little window, a little pop-up window there, which has just a picture of that check, and you can kind of change the size of it slightly, but just kind of make it around about the size of a normal check. And now you've got two options, so I'm going to show you them both. So the first one, the easiest one, is to use the snipping tool. If you have the snipping tool on your laptop or on your computer, then you can use that, and I'll show you. I've got it down here. I'm just going to click on the snipping tool. That then opens up a little window. I'm going to click New, and now you can see I've got a crossbar there that I can use to select the bit that I want. Now what I'm going to suggest is you exclude the part that says Kleeneze, because when we're first talking about the business, we're just advertising it as a business that anybody can use on Facebook, and we don't need to mention the name of the company, otherwise people get a preconceived idea that it's just to do with catalogs. You can't do that online. So just kind of click on the outside of that, go down here, and again you can see this Kleeneze at the bottom, so I normally just sort of crop it to just below Lisa's name, and as you can see there, that's now saved a version of the check. You can just click on save and then save that in. Here we are. I'm just going to call it Chris Smith check, whatever you want to call it. Right, so that's one way of doing it. I'm just going to close that again and go back to here again. Now the other way, if you haven't got the snipping tool, you can just do a screenshot, like a print screen. So again, bring up check only. Whoops. Bring that into the middle of the screen, get it to a size you're happy with, and then just click on however you do a screen print. So for me, there's a button on my keyboard which says print screen. Now what I can then do is paste that into something like a Word document, or actually a PowerPoint. I'm going to just put this particular one into a PowerPoint because I can save that as a picture, as a document. So bear with me a moment. I'm just going to go into here, start PowerPoint, and again that will have printed the whole screen, so I'll have to crop that. Bear with me a second while I just bring that over. Right, so I'm just going to get rid of the formatting on that PowerPoint display, and then I'm just going to paste the screen that I just printed, so hopefully that will come up there. Now that's come up with all sorts of stuff because I've actually got two windows open at once, so bear with me a moment. I'm just going to crop, bring that down to a reasonable size and crop the bit that I don't want. So to crop it, basically just select it, show the toolbar for this little box here is how to crop it. I'm just going to crop it approximately for the moment. I just want that the check part of it. I'm just using a rough idea for the moment. It's a little bit small. Bear with me a second. And then I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so I can get a better picture of it. Crop it again. Get a more accurate cropping. Again, I'm going to remove the title of Kleeneze at the top. But leave your name and date on. That's a good thing to have so people can see how recent it is. Put that at the bottom there. And then there you have a picture of a check that you can then use. Now I'm just going to show you, all you do now is save this. So I'm just going into File, Save As, and then in PowerPoint you can save it as a picture. You don't have to save it as a PowerPoint display. So change the file type to, hold on here a bit, JPEG, it's a good type. I'll just save that in Kleeneze, got a folder for Kleeneze, and then a section here on success stories, and I can just save that as Chris Smith Cheque. Try and save that. Okay, it's saying it already exists because it's from the previous one, but then I can just replace it. Yes, and replace that, and just a current slide. That's all I want. So that's now saved that image as a picture, and then I can use that to promote in my selling group or to add to a little testimonial. So I hope that helps, guys. Anybody who's got a check recently, I'll be trying to catch up with you in the next few days just to put a testimonial together so you can use that to grow your business. But at least now, hopefully, you know how to get a good quality picture of your check. Okay, bye for now.